As you may know, the PlayStation 5 came out, and I happen to have a console myself. However, we're going to be taking a look at some accessories. I have an unboxing for you right here. These are the Pulse 3D headphones for the PlayStation 5, also compatible with the PlayStation 4 if you still have that console, or if you haven't been able to get yourself a PlayStation 5 yet. But without further ado, let's unbox. Okay, so from what we can see on the label, it says here that it's a wireless headset, meaning that it will come with a dongle that you plug into your PlayStation, and you have the option to use it either wired or wireless. So let's unbox it right now. So the first thing we see is tape on the top, and we're just going to try to cut this. Right there. All right, and now we're gonna take this flap, which is near impossible to get out, but we got it, and that's what matters. This opens up like so. This opens like so. First thing we're met with are instructions, and this will tell you where everything is. So we're just gonna put that to the side. I'm going to take this out, and from what I could feel, this feels like this might be the dongle, if I'm not mistaken, but we'll see. Okay. Alright, so it opens up on this side. I was half right. I have the dongle right here, and I also have this USB Type-C cable, which plugs into the headphones themselves. And last but not least is the star of the show. I'm going to put that box to the side. Just drop it, I guess. Whatever. But these feel pretty cushiony. And then, of course, you got this, which will fit on your head, which, from what I have heard and from what I have seen, it can be kind of tight on your head, especially for those long gaming sessions. And you got the PlayStation logo on each side. It looks just like it takes on the same color coding as the PlayStation 5. You got the power on button there, and there you could see the blue light flashing. You got the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack thing. Excuse me. You have the USB Type-C, the microphone button, the volume button, and the off monitor button, chat, game button. So that's all the features that are on the headset. We'll just take off this plastic wrap, put it to the side, and yeah, so that's pretty much everything. I don't see anything else here. Wait, hold on one second. I completely forgot about this. This is the 3.5 millimeter wire, which will plug into your headset, and you can use it to plug into your controller, and you can communicate, stream, whatever you do when you're playing video games. You can use this, and it will plug in right here like so, and then the other end you would plug into your controller when you're streaming or you're playing your video games and you're talking to your friends, you're talking to whoever you're playing against. And yeah, so that's the unboxing right there for you. Okay, so now that we have this unboxed, let's try it on. Wow, so as you can see, this rubber thingy, it wraps around my head, over the top of my head, and it does get kind of tight, I will say that. However, the ear cups though fit surprisingly well in my ear, which is great for long gaming sessions. For me personally, the oval cups tend to fit people's ears much better than these circular ones, but these fit surprisingly well. And I will be using these for streaming. You can tune into my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/Peter_Starzinski, STARZYNSKI. Be sure to tune in, come in, hang out, let's chat, let's play some cool video games, and I will see you there. And also be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, Peter Starzinski Tech. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when new videos get posted, and we will be having more tech reviews coming soon. Stay tuned.